Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is your host Shubham. Today we are here to discuss one important question that was raised by one of our learners, that how we can show a Lightning Web Component on a record page, basically on a contact page. So here in this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how you can configure any Lightning Web Component to be available for your Lightning record page. If you haven't subscribed to Longswitch Academy yet, do subscribe to it now and share it with friends. Let's begin. First, what I'll do, I'll go to my component. For example, this ls file upload is one of my component. I'll go to its meta.xml file. Then I'll go to its targets config. This is the entry point where we can configure at which position or at which place we want to make our Lightning Web component visible. So here, like I was having the requirement of making this LWC visible at home page, record page, tab, or app page. But right now the request was how we can add it to record page. So therefore that in the target config you have to mention lightning underscore record page as one of your targets. Then only this LWC will be available for your record pages. Once you do that, deploy your changes and head over to your org. What I'll do, I'm already logging into my org. Since this request is to show the Lightning Web Component for a contact form, so or a contact record, I'll search for contacts. This will take me to the contacts page or contacts list view. From there, I'll choose my designated contact that I need to where I need to add this LWC. I'll pick my contact record. You can pick any. It will be available on all contacts. Once you are inside your contact record page, this is not we're restricting just for contact. This component can be added to any record page such as account, lead, opportunities, like that. But the request was for contact page, that's why I'm showing it for contact. So here in the settings icon, I need to select edit page. This is how you change the Lightning record page, and this is how you can add or remove components from here. So let me go there. And when I'm inside this Lightning App Builder's Lightning Record Page Editor, I will check for custom. This is where all our custom Lightning Web Components will be listed. And here I'll choose Lightning File Upload. This is my component that I want to showcase. I'll select it and drag and drop like wherever I want to put it. Let's put it beneath this activity bar. One important tip here: when you configure your Lightning Web Components meta XML target config to like record page, then only your component will be listed here. Until you add that, you won't see your component listed in this custom list for the Lightning record pages. So this is the important tip. And once I'm done with the changes, I'll hit save, and my changes would be saved. I'll go back. It will take me to the contact record page. Now I should be able to see my Lightning Web component on the contact record page. As you can see, this ls file upload component now appears here. So these are the steps that you can follow to expose any of your LWC component to be available at Lightning record page. Do let me know what you feel about these steps or this tutorial. If you have any questions or any topic on which you need tutorial, then do let us know in the comment section below. You can also check out our official website longswitchacademy.com. We often come up with so many helpful resources, ebooks, or training programs that might help you with your Salesforce learning journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to it now, and happy learning. Until next time, keep watching our tutorial videos, keep spreading love, keep sharing it with your friends. This is your host Shubham.